Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Be 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. From Ethereum leverage elevated despite long squeeze, Solana at a crossroad. Can it break through the bullish market? Also, XRP tests critical barriers and Bitcoin struggles to hold 100,000 as China strikes back at US import tariff. This is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. If you're looking at the screen right now, you see that BTC is trading at 98,264 US dollars. And if you watched the show yesterday, I told you do not buy BTC or else we cross above 102,000 US dollars. All right, these are more what we're going to be looking at on the show this morning. And thanks for joining me. Thanks for being part of this great thing that has been happening on this great show. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all the juicy content as I drop immediately. Also, you can follow me on X, you can follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok to get all the nuggets that I have for you on this beautiful show. As you all know, on the show, we'll start with the news. First of all, to know the news that are making the waves this. Now, if you look at it, we have about 341 million inflow stunned Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock lead the bull charge. Also, if you look at another news on the radar, this one is still concerning Bitcoin. US spot BTC ETF inflow surge 175% year over year. Still speaking of BTC, you can see on the radar Bitcoin gold ratio. Sorry about that. Bitcoin gold ratio is at the same par. Okay, while that one is still loading, let us move to another news on the radar. And this one is Bitcoin price struggle below 100,000 as this altcoin outperforms the market. And if you look at this one, Bitcoin gold ratio at 12-week low as US physical gold delivery soars. Now, speaking of BTC as well and crypto in general, good news for crypto as US SEC to scale back its enforcement division. And still on the radar, we have massive Shiba Inu announcement. MetaMask introduces features allowing users to pay gas fee with token. Now let's talk about XRP, and XRP dives below key support for the first time in 6 months. Also, still talking about XRP and Ethereum investors go on 664 million shopping spree. Still talking about altcoin, this is Solana. Solana breaches key resistance level despite 36% volume slip. Now let's take a look at the meme coin. This one is Dogecoin. Doge lands on crucial support as US dollar index signaling Bitcoin surge and Ethereum show worst top 10 performance. If you agree with me, I've been talking about Ethereum on the show for some weeks now that they are not doing well. You saw yesterday that they increased their gas fee for the first time since 2021. They're having leadership problem and all of that. I just believe Ethereum community needs to do better. Okay, let's check one or two more news before we move on. This is now regarding the authorities, and you can see SEC reducing crypto enforcement, and I think that is going to help the crypto community. Now let's talk about the Federal Reserve. Federal Reserve Vice Chair statement spark crypto market move. These are the headlines and the news that are making waves in the market this money. And now this morning, excuse me, and now we're going to take a look at the economic calendar. Taking a look at the economic calendar today, you can see we don't have much to talk about. It's just a lot of news, but they are not that important because they are not in orange, neither in red. But don't forget, we have USAD non-farm employment change to come at 1:15 p.m. GMT or UTC, and we have final service PM at 2:45 UTC or GMT, and also ISM service PMI at 3 p.m. or GMT. So that's just what we should be expecting in the economic calendar today. Nothing much talking about the fundamental. Now let's now go into the market cap. What is the market cap looking like? And if you look at the market cap right now, we're sitting on 3.3 trillion US dollar. Just like yesterday, nothing much has really happening, with almost 200 billion US dollars traded in the last 24 hours in volume. And if you look at the top 20 cryptocurrency, you can see BTC is still at number 1, Ethereum at number 2, XRP at number 3, Tether at number 4, Solana number 5, BNB number 6, number 7 is USDC, Dogecoin at number 8, Cardano at number 9, Lido Stake maintaining number 10, Tron still on number 11 on the list, Chainlink number 12, Wrap BTC at 13, Wrap ETH at 14, Avalanche at 15, Sui at 16. Stellar at number 17, Edera at number 18, Toncoin at 19, and Shiba Inu still maintaining number 20, and that is top 20. If you're interested in knowing top 100 or top 1000, you might want to check CoinGecko.com out to know what's going on. If you still look at the market, it's still in red, so we're just still waiting for recovery. But we're going to take a look at the chart to know what we need to do regarding our portfolio and our investment. But if you look at the trending coin, you can see official Trump is back into the trending coin, and top gainers, you can see them right there. All right, without wasting our time, let's dive into the chart analysis. But before we do that, please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all this juicy content as drop it immediately. Also, you can follow me on X for more news, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and on TikTok to get all the nugget out for you on this beautiful show. Mind you, you should know this is a Bitcoin and breakfast show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Absolutely. Let's dive into the chart analysis. Now, if you look at the chart, I told you BTC is not a buy 3 days ago when it even had 100 and something, because it has not given us a signal. So now, is it a buy yet? Now, no, BTC is still not a buy. You can see we didn't break our entry point, so we still need to wait as an investor and a crypto trader. But if you're a future trader, derivatives, and all those other type of trading, you might want to join my my Telegram and my Discord channel, so you can take trade with us, talking about future trading, derivatives, and all of that. But for investment and spot trader, please stay away from the market. Is not a buy yet. Let's take a look at ETH. ETH is the same thing, not a buy yet. Let's take a look at SUI. But mind you, all those green spots, that is where you can get into the market if the market should cross it during the day. XRP, not a buy yet. AVAX, not a buy yet, but if you cross that line, we might want to get into the market. AAV, not a buy yet. Solana, excuse me. Solana is a buy because it crossed the line, but yesterday I told you, because before we do the show, I was like, let's wait if it's going to cross the line, but it hasn't crossed it. But let's just wait for it to cross again. Let's take a look at ADA. ADA is not a buy yet until it crosses the blue line, which is 0.825. Let's take a look at Toncoin, not a buy yet, and that's what it looks like. Let's go into meme coin right now. Dogecoin is not a buy yet. Shiba Inu, not a buy yet. Pepe, not a buy yet. Ondo is a buy, and the stop loss to remain at the same place. X, not a buy yet. Notcoin, not a buy yet. Dogs, not a buy yet. Nero, not a buy yet, except we cross the green line, and that's the price right there. Deep, not a buy yet, except we cross the green line. That's the buy right there. And RSR, not a buy yet. Popcat, not a buy yet. Rose, not a buy yet. Trump coin, not a buy yet. Millennia coin is now a buy. Let's take a look at it. Yes, Millennia coin is now a buy. You can buy Millennia coin now and put your stop loss at 1.21 US dollars. So that's what the chart is looking at today. Let's get into the fear and greed index. And if you look at the fear and greed index, you can see we're sitting at 54, which is neutral. Yesterday was greed, last week was greed, last month was extreme greed, but right now it's neutral. So you might just see, we might not be seeing a lot of volatility. Market might be quite a little bit, because we don't even have a lot of news to come out of the market. But mind you, anything can happen. Is crypto. If you see any entry, don't forget to jump in. So where are we expecting to jump into BTC right now? We're expecting to jump into BTC if we cross above 102. And Ethereum, we're going to jump into Ethereum if we cross above 2,925 thereabouts. And for SUI, SUI is a buy technically, but you might still wait and see if it's going to break $3.8. But SUI is a buy technically, and you get out at 2.3. Let's take a look at X. We need to wait to break above 2.8. And Avalanche break above $28. AAV break above $285. And Solana is technically a buy, stop loss right there, but you might wait if you're not in the market yet. Then you wait for it to break $220. And ADA is not a buy yet. We need to wait to break 0.825. And Toncoin is not a buy yet. We need to wait for it to break 4.1. So technically, I think we're just having the signal, but we've not broken above it. So as an investor and spot trader, please just stay away from the market. Just wait, don't worry, the time is going to come where we need to get into the market. But if you want to trade derivatives, futures and all of that, you might want to subscribe to my Discord channel and Telegram channel, where you get free signals every now and then using leverage to trade. But that is risky. You need to have a lot of experience. And mind you, this is not financial advice in any way. It's just for educational purpose and entertainment. But with my years of experience in the game, I've been able to make the prediction, and I've been correct with more than 90 to 95%. Make sure you do your own research and trade with the amount of money you can afford to lose. All right, thanks for joining me on the show today. My name still remains the same. Ahmed Magic Kazim, aka KC the Great. If you've not joined or subscribe to the channel, please do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get the content before as I drop immediately. Also, join me on X for more news, on TikTok, on Facebook, and Instagram for nugget that I'll be dropping for you daily. All right, till I catch you tomorrow on another wonderful pack episode of the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Peace out.